Welcome to 35212, County Road 127 in Sidney, Montana. This modern property features 10 furnished office spaces, a welcoming reception area, 2 bathrooms, a large break room, and 2 convenient entrances. Outside, there's ample parking, with the lot meticulously maintained by the current owner. And when it comes to location, you couldn't ask for better. Situated at the intersection of County Road 127 and County Road 352, just off the pavement for easy access. Whether you're expanding your business or starting something new, this property offers the perfect foundation for success.